Hi Sec 2s, I'm Melinda and I graduated in St. Hilda's in 2010, brought to graduation by lovely Mr. Wong that is currently teaching me. My video is directed to the volleyballers, Venice, Kung Fong, Sherman, Trian and Jonathan. Similar to you guys, I played volleyball in secondary school, and it was really tough because I wasn't a really smart girl. I didn't really get a good PSLE score, and I had to appeal into St. Hilda's. So it was really tough because volleyball was a niche sport in St. Hilda's, and I had to train almost every single day, and I spent a lot of time going for trainings, gym sessions, whatever not. I think what motivated me was that there was this book that said to excel in both sports and studies, because I think a lot of our parents or friends or even teachers, they do not believe that students can excel in both their sports and studies, especially because sports takes up a lot of time and training, and it could actually distract you. And especially after our trainings, we just want to play, we just want to hang out with our friends, we just want to go home and game on our computer. But I think I had that fair share of play. I think the most important thing was to have discipline and to have drive. We need to find something that motivates us. So for me, it was really to prove all these perceptions, all these opinions wrong, and to prove to them that people can actually excel in both sports and studies. It's possible. So it was my aim, and and that motivated me to study. Most definitely, my life wasn't just studying and training, but I actually had a fair share of fun. Where my class, we always did catching or improvised table tennis during our breaks or anything, and always went out to eat lunch together and have fun and hang out at the neighborhood bubble tea store and played games. But I think the great thing was when it was crunch time, all of us studied together, all of us worked together, and we all helped each other. So I think an advice for everybody, or your class as a whole, I would just encourage you all to really just do everything together, study together, play hard together, study hard together, and I believe that all of you will succeed. Now I'm currently studying in NUS, the National University of Singapore, and I'm doing business, and I believe that one day you guys will also be recording this video like I am, and to really share your story. So I hope that this really motivates you to play hard, study hard, and I believe that y'all will do well. Bye!